Do you have some anti-seize?
Yes.
There we go.
What's going on today, guys? So we're going to be installing this map downpipe on Nate's 2015? 2015? 2015?
16.
2016.
No disrespect.
My bad. He had to have the Apple Play. But anyways, we're gonna install his downpipe, and unbeknownst to me, he has cob already, so he's gonna go stage 2. So we're gonna have to have a cob versus APR showdown, manual versus DSG. Ooh, that sound good to you?
That sounds perfect, actually.
That's awesome. So we'll get this pulled in and get it jacked up.
I was at the dealership, man. I said, man, can y'all put those wheels on this car?
Yeah, and they were like, nope.
I kept asking him that, and he said no. I was so happy to find.
Come on, Jorge, what are you doing, bro?
Find this one.
It's gonna be the before the downpipe. Hey, Nate, go ahead. Nate, go ahead and start it. No, that was a joke. Like it was a Prius, you know. Like, go ahead and start it.
You got me on that one.
Yep.
You guys did the video, huh?
So I can get distance on your car.
Passing it up to 3 minutes?
So anyways,
I give you 7
quick
minutes.
update. We have his downpipe like almost all the way out, but
Oh, man.
Nate went full send on some bolts. We're gonna have to probably cut his clamp off.
Oh, man.
Probably have to cut his clamp off, or
Oh, man.
I mean, it's coming off broken either way. So we'll check back in.
Man, you do what you have to do, man. You do what you have to do.
Just to get by.
If you get frustrated, you do what you have to do.
That's right. Like that time I cut Mario's downpipe into 3 pieces to get it out of his car.
Yeah. Except yours succeeded, and mine's failed. Full send and failed.
So we didn't have to break out Maria, but we did have to get a bolt extractor out, and so we're not gonna fault Nate too hard on that one.
That's right, Nate.
Do what you gotta do, man, to get the bolts out. What you gotta do. Yeah, man.
I got it. I can see its head. Yo, I need a where's that fucking requested flathead from earlier? Oh, sorry.
You got a bunch of tools down there, man.
What?
Yeah, it was almost out.
I have all the tools.
It came out. Look at
Hey,
that.
that big boy. Hey, big boy.
It's out now, guys.
12. Yeah. I was just holding it in my hand to not drop it. Dude, this shit's...
Action!
Whoa, bro. This is so nice. I did really not expect this at all.
Ooh.
That'll go in there. So I'm like, ooh. V-band.
There you go there.
Yeah.
Perfect fit.
Yeah.
Are you gonna start this thing up, man?
No, wait. So we just come on over here.
Oh.
We just installed the MAP downpipe. We're gonna check for leaks, make sure everything's tightened up before we button up. And I just want to say, so far, out of all the downpipes we put on, this by far has been one of the nicest. So it's catted and resonated, so we might not get like a big noise difference, but. Yeah.
Something like that, right?
It's already much bro.
Yeah. Big difference. Eddie's checking for leaks. Any leaks?
excited. This is gonna be interesting. I've never ridden in a DSG car that has the DSG tune.
And there's an aggressive tune that
I've
they
actually
have,
never
too.
even ridden in a fast DSG car. Oh shit. Oh my god, it like cranked up so
That's
hard.
exactly why I wanted to put the springs on, because I knew
Dude.
the power was going to be different.
That's so wild. I can already feel like, oh shit. Oh, that's so tight. Oh my god, dude. I should have got DSG, man. It never stops pulling. It's like a train, dude.
And he's quick on his feet.
Oh my god. I hated DSG because the way they drive without the tune. I've never been in a tuned one. This feels amazing. Oh my god. I don't know what I'm doing with my life.
Yeah, because after I drove both of them,
Oh my god, I wonder what a GTR feels like, man.
oh man, your car would have been a perfect example of that.
Shit.
To test that theory with.
Now I'm gonna have the DSG swap my car. How hard is that? But I'm gonna leave the 3 pedals though. Can I do that? So it still looks cool. Oh my god. Dude, this is gonna be a good run between you and Alejandro. Or between Cobb and APR.
The turns and everything. And I know how to heel toe, because, you know, I did some autocross. But in the DSG, the fact that it could just hit that gear, I can hit back to the next gear and get out of the corner, I was like, damn.
Oh yeah, true.
Let me see what it sounds like.
It's probably nothing.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Oh dude, I think you're gonna fucking destroy Alejandro.
That's why I said it's not gonna.
Dude,
It's not gonna be a contest.
you can't fuck with that shifting. I mean, I think you could probably beat my car.
I think we're a little antsy now.
I don't know, man. Dude, that's fucking fast. Maybe I just haven't felt the power of my car in so long that I'm just like
you
geeking
really-
out.
Yeah, you really have.
Dude, this is amazing though. Now I gotta figure out how hard it is to DSG swap my car. Oh my god, dude, that sounds crazy.
That's exactly what I wanted. Yeah, just to get that.
Dude, it sounds like a fucking Lamborghini, like downshifting like that. You know, like that. I could be tripping, but oh my god, dude, it has like a constant torque that's like a. Dude, I don't know what I've done with my life, man. Shit,
And everything looks good, man. AFR is good.
that's tight.
That's why I went with
Whoa,
Cobb,
whoa.
man.
But I think that's gonna be it for this one. So, thanks for watching. Dude, that was awesome. I'm rethinking my entire life now.